Yeah, it's recording. Yes. Okay. Ekeshwari, you have any doubts, Ekeshwari, about our previous classes?
No, Krishna.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Please be practice, guys. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, declarative pipeline. Okay. Yeah. I think everyone knows about scripted pipelines because we are give the clear cut view. Okay, if you are going to practice, you can analyze our videos, and if you're going to practice, you think very much of understanding. Okay, yeah, this is the scripted way pipeline, guys. This is the scripted way pipeline. Yeah, this is the scripted way pipeline. This is the way we are going to start the scripted way pipeline. Okay, and what is a declarative pipeline? It's a whatever script we have, we written the declarative way. We are going to written the declarative way. Here we are going to written the scripted way. That is the thing. Guys. And if you go to start the declarative pipeline, you have understand what is the difference between declarative and scripted pipeline. It's nothing but declarative pipeline is gives the more clarity about our job or project, more clarity about our job or project, because it does not have any confusion in this pipeline script, declarative pipeline script. How are we going to start the declarative pipeline script? Just I gonna written the few steps, guys. Okay, how we gonna written the pipeline? We are going to start the mention this, the word is pipeline, guys, pipeline. And we are going to give the under pipeline. It means under pipeline, it means we are open the flower brackets. Okay, in between these flower brackets we were going to return whatever our stages, our script. We are going to return this under the pipeline. Okay, after we need to return agent. Open the flower brackets. Agent. What is the agent? Guys? Anyone? What is the agent? Guys, agent and ఏంటి Jenkins law?
Slaves.
Slaves. Yes, correct. Just I going to return the direct on pipeline. Okay, don't waste our times because it gives the very understanding to you. Just I can create the one more project, guys. I can create the one more project. Hmm. Declarative batch 3. Okay, declarative batch 3. That is our project. That is our project name. And in this select the our pipeline format and give the okay. Yeah, you can give the description about this pipeline. You say declarative. Just I can give you can give anything, guys. You can give anything. It's nothing but declarative. And go to pipeline. Yeah, we need to return our pipelines here. Okay, starting in scripted scripted way pipelines. We are going to start with the node. But declarative pipeline is very clear and very understanding. Okay, it's just we gonna give the minute details also in declarative pipeline. That is the reason just we need to start the pipeline. Okay, guys, my screen is visible, guys. Everyone, guys, are you there? Are you sleeping? Okay, pipeline. Under the pipeline we are going to written the our declarative script. Okay, we are starting with pipeline. What is the difference between scripted way pipeline and declarative pipeline right now? The scripted way pipeline we are going to start with node. We are going to start with node, and declarative pipeline we are going to start with pipeline. Okay, that is the one difference, guys. Okay, give the enter. Under this pipeline we are going to written the our declarative way format. Okay, and we need to mention here agent under the agent, guys. That is the reason we have opened the float. Under the agent we need to mention label. If you need mention label, if you give this, and then you need to mention your label mvk. Otherwise you need to mention node. You need to mention node. You need to mention node. Just you need to mention node. Just you can give the node and give the space and give the symbols, and in between the symbols you need to give the node name. What is our node name? What is our node name, guys? OPS. Just I can copy the OPS node. Sorry. Just nodes, go to nodes. Just I can copy that node name. Okay, just I can paste here. Okay, OPS. The node name is OPS, guys. That is the one of we are going to configure. Okay, after what we need to configure in scripted way pipeline. Scripted way pipeline లో మనం నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏమి ఇస్తాం? ఆఫ్టర్ యువర్ నోడ్ తర్వాత మనము ఏం చేస్తాం, గైస్? వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్స్ ది టూల్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అంటే మనము ఈ పైప్లైన్ లో ఏ టూల్స్ ని యూస్ చేస్తామో ఆ టూల్స్ ని మనము సెంట్రల్ గ్లోబల్ టూల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ లో మనం ఏదైతే చేస్తుంటామో గ్లోబల్ టూల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ లో ఆ టూల్స్ ని మనము కాల్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. బికాస్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డస్ నాట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఎనీ టూల్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఓపీఎస్ నోడ్. మనము ఎటువంటి టూల్ ని మన స్లేవ్ మీద ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయకుండానే మనం ఆ టూల్ తో వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ గ్లోబల్ టూల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఓకే, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కాన్ఫిగర్ దట్. హౌ వి గోనా డూ దట్ వన్? టూల్స్ అంటే మనకి ఏవైతే టూల్స్ కావాలో ఆ టూల్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనము ఈ స్టెప్ లో మనము కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తాం, గైస్. ఈ స్టెప్ లో మనము కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తాం. హౌ వి గోనా కాన్ఫిగర్? ఇట్స్ ఎ maven tool. Just we need to write maven and give this symbols. In between you need to mention the global tool configuration name. Just go to our dashboard, manage Jenkins. Where is the global tool? Yeah, we have a global tool configuration. Go to where is the maven? Yeah, this is the maven. We already set up to this one. Okay, you need to see this here. What is the maven tool name? Build tool. Is a build tool. This is the name, guys. If you gonna give this name, it's going to be called the maven 3.84 version. Okay, yeah, that is the tools name. If you have more tools, అంటే మీరు ఈ పైప్లైన్ లో ఇంకొన్ని టూల్స్ వాడుతుంటే like ant, like java, okay, you need to mention the tool name with help of global tool configuration. Okay, that is the step. Okay, that is the tools step. Okay, after tools after tools. What we need to mention? Normally we are going to mention the build triggers. Build triggers, guys. Build triggers. Okay, we will going to do build trigger also. We are going to mention the triggers concept. Okay, just we need to write triggers and open the lever brackets. Okay, and we need to mention which type of trigger we need. We need to mention which type of trigger we need. We have many triggers: build periodically, and GitHub, poll SCM. We have many things. Just I gonna select the poll SCM. How we gonna write this poll SCM? Just you can write the poll SCM, guys. Just you need to write the poll SCM. Poll that SEM. Poll SCM. Okay. Otherwise we don't know Krishna how to write this one. Just open our pipeline syntax. Just we knows that which option we are going to use to create the build triggers. Property set jobs. Okay, where is our trigger? Poll SCM trigger. Just you can schedule your poll SCM trigger every 2 minutes, every hour, every week, every day. Okay, your starts. It means every hour within 2 minutes it's going to be trigger. It's going to be trigger, guys. Just generate the pipeline script. Don't give all this thing, guys. Don't give this all thing. Just you need to copy that only our policy. Okay, okay, just copy this poll SCM. Krishna, you are saying only poll SCM. We need to build periodically option. Just you need to copy this one. We need to paste before we need to paste here. Okay, poll SCM concept. Just go to, we need to give the build periodically. How we gonna do that one? Just same build periodically as page by 0 to star star star. Okay, generated the pipeline scripts. You can see here what is the inside. We have cron. Okay, you can copy this one. You can copy this one. You need to go to place the under triggers. Under triggers, what happen if you going to place that one? Every 2 minutes automatically our build is going to be triggered. Every 2 minutes our automatically our build is going to be triggered. Right now we are using pool SCM. It means మన సోర్స్ కోడ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఏదైతే హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తుందో అది చేంజ్ అయితే మాత్రమే ట్రిగర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, that is the trigger step. Then come to stages. We are going to start our stages. Okay, under the stages we have a many stages. We have a many stages like cloning the code, clean the code, build the code, and sending mails. So deploy the artifact IDs. We have a many stages. Okay, we called under these stages we can call the all stage. Okay, first of all we need to open the stages option, and we need to, under that stages option, we are going to write the stage, and we need to mention what is the use of this stage. We need to give the stage name here. Just I will mention the check out the code. Whatever your company follows the stage description, you need to give that one. But universally stage one is a cloning the code or check out the code. Just I am using the clone the code. Okay, that is the stage name, and we need to open the stage details. Okay, under the stage we have a steps, guys. Under this stage we have a steps. Okay, steps. Under the steps we have a, we need to give the our script information, step information. We need to give the our step details, what is the step details here? Clone the code from git. We need to mention git details. Just open our git. Just copy the code and go to our pipeline script. Okay, pipelines, sprint generator. Go to git. We need to generate the script for that information. Yeah, we need to mention url, repository url, and branch name is a main, and credentials. This is the public repository. We don't need the credentials. If you have used the private repository, just we knows that one. How do we give the credentials? Get the credentials. Just you need to, we knows that one. We are creating that one. Okay, generate the pipeline script. This is our pipeline script. Okay, copy this one, go to declarative pipeline. Under this step we need to give the step details. Okay, that's all about this stage, guys. That's all about this stage. If you are under this stage, these details are there, you need to check. Just you need to double click here in front of the this flower bracket. What happened? This stage responsible for whole the end. Okay, you can click here. It's going to be stages, all stages information, where we need to written another stage. మనం ఇంకొక stage ని కూడా రాయాలి. What is the stage? We need to clean this code. We need to clean this code. We need to clean this code after this stage. Under these stages, guys. It means we need to written the after this stage. Okay, another stage. What is the stage? Clean the code. Clean the code, or otherwise code quality. Code quality test. Guys, I think everyone see the SonarQube video. Code quality, guys. We are open this stage. Under this stage we have a steps. Under the steps we have a, we can give the step information or step details. What is this one? Just we are using sh shell command and maven mvn. Don't call this one, guys. It's already in our pipeline. That is the many advantage of declarative pipeline. Okay, previous scripted pipeline we need to call the variable, we are doing something, but right now we don't do that one. mvn. What is the code quality test command? Is sonar sonar. Okay, I think please see that SonarQube video also, guys. You can get that. What is this? What is the step it's going to be do? Okay, after this step we need to create the one more stage. Okay, what is the stage? Clean. Code clean. Open the stage and we have a steps. Under the steps we need to mention our step information. It's a shell format, guys. I explained previous starting scripted web pipeline. I explained everything. What is that? Why we use this sh? Because we are going to run this script in linux node. Linux node, that is the reason. Linux node, it's acceptable their linux commands in shell format. Shell format lo run చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి we are using sh. Okay, sh. Okay, you need to remember every details, guys, every minute details, because if you have an interview why you are using sh command on that place, you need to explain this thing. Okay, sh, and you need to give what is the command, mvn clean, mvn clean command. Okay, and after this stage we need to create one more stage. What is the stage? Build the code. Build the code. Under this stage we need to create the steps. Okay, after in under the steps we need to give the steps information. Okay, under the steps we're going to give the steps information or details. sh, we are passing the maven goals, mdm package, mdm package. Okay, and after this stage after this stage we need to mention one more stage. Deploy the packages are artifact IDs to deployment server. Deploy environment, just I can return environment. Deploy environment. Okay, we have opened the stage. Under the stage we have the steps. Under the steps we have a step details. We need to mention here deploy whole thing information, guys. How are we going to do that one? Using of pipeline syntax. We are going to use this one. Okay, previously what we are doing, we are need to start our Tomcat server. Okay, instance state, start instance. Yeah, you can get the public IP. Yeah, it's in running mode. Just I can filter running instance only. Okay, Tomcat batch 3. Copy the public IP and we need to start our Tomcat server. It's in desktop, I think. Yeah, we have a batch 3 key and open this one. Yes, just I can log in as a ECP user and start the Tomcat server. Sudo start. Yes, Tomcat server is started, guys. Just I'm going to open the Tomcat server. manager app, admin, and we have a mbk, and previous classes we are deploy this one. Just I going to undeploy, guys, undeploy. You can see right now we don't have any mbk, and you can see, just I can close this one. What is our url? Client url, just tomcat url and 8080 and slash mbk. You can see page is not found, 404 error, page is not found. Why? Our application is not up to date. It means not deployed in our tomcat server. There is a no mbk service, there is a no mbk web application. We need to do the, or we need to complete our pipeline. It's going to be deployed into our tomcat server. Go to declarative pipeline. Yeah, we need to give the, what will happen. Okay, sorry, we need to mention this one. Okay, under the steps, we need to give the our tomcat details, all things. Go to this one. Yeah, we need to select deploy. Yeah, deploy var and ear to container. We need to select this option. Okay, and we need to use the var and ear file in our ops node. ఓపీఎస్ నోడ్ మీద మనకి బిల్డ్ జరిగినప్పుడు ఆ ప్యాకేజ్ ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది యొక్క దాని యొక్క పాత్ అనేది మనం మెన్షన్ చేయాలి, గైస్. ఐ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ది స్టార్ డబుల్ స్టార్ స్లాష్ స్టార్ డాట్ var, not question mark, slash. Okay, and construct path, if you are giving, it's not up to your date. Just I can give the mbk, and we need to mention our container details. Container, it means our tomcat server. Many times I explain this why we select the tomcat 9x and all. Okay. Credentials. Yeah, we have the credentials, tomcat credentials. You can see tomcat credentials. We have many times we have tomcat credentials. Just you need to paste the tomcat credentials. Okay, many times we are configure this one, guys. Okay, just you gonna check out that one, and we need to mention tomcat url path. Here is our tomcat server. This is our tomcat server. Copy our url and go to this tomcat url path and paste here and generate a pipeline script. Yeah, copy this one, go to our declarative pipeline. Yeah, paste here, paste here. These all the what we are going to do. These are the one application, one pipeline, or full length pipeline, guys. It's a one full length pipeline. Right now we have a one more step also. After packages, we are going to give the deploy command, maven goal deploy command, and deploy goal, it's going to be stored into nexus repository. Okay, right now just I need to mention that stage also. Right now, yeah, stage store the artifactors in nexus repository. Okay, that is the stage name, and open the stage name. Under the stage name, under the stage, we need to give the steps, and we need to give the details about the steps. Okay, what is the detail? We are passing the sh and mvm deploy. What happen if we give this goal? It's going to be build the artifact IDs, and it's going to be local, save into local repository and central repository also, this is the right now మనకి మామూలుగా ఎంతవరకు తెలుసు అంటే ఈ స్టెప్స్ వరకు we knows clear cut. This is the way we are going to create the declarative pipeline. This is the way we are going to create the declarative pipeline. And right now we have a something happened like we don't have this stage. It means sonar అనేది ఇప్పుడు నేను కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయలేదు, that is the reason. Okay, but real time this is the goals, and real time you need to explain in interview what are the basic what are the stages you are going to do in your company, previous company, in pipeline, Jenkins pipeline, in declarative way or scripted way. You need to explain this all stages, and we have one more stage, mail stage also. I will explain that one, don't bother about one. Okay, just I commented the stages, guys. Just I commented the stages. Because right now there is no this configuration, sonar cube configuration నేను చేయలేదు, అందుకని దాన్ని కామెంటేట్ చేశాను అనమాట. If you going to see that our sonar cube video, you can definitely you can understand what is that part. Okay, and also we need to comment at this stage also, nexus repository. Okay, okay, whole is going to be commented, and also commented. Okay, yeah. Okay, apply and save and build now. You can see it here, we use the stage by stage views, and it's very clean and very clear. Open your console output, you can see everything is going to be success, everything is going to be finished is success, guys. Success. If you have restart, we have a situation we need to restart only one stage, go to this one, restart from stage option, click on this one. You need see here stage names, and we have right now we have a 4 stages: clone the code and build that one and deploy the war package. If you need to restart that only particular stage, you going to select that one and you can run. What happened? It's going to be run only particular stage. What's happened? It's going to be run only particular stage. That's also one biggest advantage in that's also it's a biggest advantage in scripted declarative pipeline, guys. Declarative pipeline. Right now we're going to check our client URL. Just I can refresh. Yeah, you can see we can get our application. Okay, this is the way we are going to return the declarative pipeline, guys. This is the way we are going to return the declarative pipeline. Okay, Krishna, what you are saying is very good, but in our company in real time, okay, you are saying real time code is not in GitHub repository, it's not in a Jenkins repository. Whatever you are saying is very good, but we need to sing this whatever success or failure, whatever the build, మనకి ఏదైతే ఇప్పుడు బిల్డ్ జరిగిందో, పైప్ లైన్ రన్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి ఏదైతే అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిందో కన్సోల్ అవుట్పుట్ అనేది, ఇది మనము some members we need to send to that one. It's a mandatory thing. What type of things? It means we need to send our DevOps team lead, and we need to send our deployment developer team lead, and we need to send our manager through the mail system. ఈ కన్సోల్ అవుట్పుట్ ఏదైతే మనకి బిల్డ్ పూర్తయిన తర్వాత మనకి కన్సోల్ అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుందో ఆ కన్సోల్ అవుట్పుట్ ని we need to send few persons. That is a mandatory thing. Okay, how we gonna do that one? We are going to add the some mail steps also before we are going to mail configuration. మనము pipeline లో mail ని యాడ్ చేసే ముందు we need to set up our Jenkins master. Okay, what is that thing? Just go to global tool configuration, go to manage Jenkins, guys, and guys, go to plugins. First of all, you need to go to plugins and available plugins. Okay, and search the extract email. I am already installed, that is the reason. Extract email. You can see here, guys, you need to install this plugin. Email extension plugin. You need to install that plugin, email extension. Guys, it's only not in declarative way. మనం ఏ వేలో అయినా or మన freestyle project అయినా we need to send the mail to our seniors and all, but just I will explain here. Okay, if you're going to create that anywhere in any project, any job. Okay, just email thing, just email purpose. We are going to install this plugin in your Jenkins master. Okay, email. I can remove this all under. Okay, don't bother about that one. Install this plugin, guys. After you need to come to manage Jenkins. First of all, we need to set up our configuration system. Guys, we need to set up our configuration system. Yeah, it's a very dedicated, guys. If you're going to do some silly mistakes, you can see home directory configurations, home directory. You need to change your home directory path. You can see edit here, but don't do silly things, guys. In this, going to do silly things, it's going to be difficult to you. Okay, just come to the bottom of the page. We need to set up our SMTP server. Yeah, bottom of the page. Here we have a SMTP server, guys. Under email notification, go to configure systems. Under email notification, come to bottom of the your Jenkins master, email notification. Okay, just I can write everything, guys, in this our notepad. Go to configuration system. First of all, you need to install the email plugin. Okay, install this plugin. After, come to configuration system option. And what is the next thing? We need to go to SMTP email. Under email notification option, under email notification option, Okay, what we are going to do, SMTP settings, SMTP server settings, SMTP server settings, guys. And this stage, what we are doing, we are going to configure something. Like, what is the configuration? It's in your side, it's empty, guys. It's in your side, it's empty. You need to return as it is, smtp.gmail.com, smtp.gmail.com, right? As it is, smtp.gmail.com. Okay, in smtp server you need to return smtp.gmail.com. Okay, write this one. Okay, after, here we have a advanced, guys. You need to see, here we have a advanced. Just click on this one, just click on this one. Here you need to do the our username. It means your mail id. అంటే మీరు ఏదైతే మెయిల్ ఐడిని ఎస్ఎంటిపి సర్వర్గా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఆ మెయిల్ ఐడిని మీరు you need to mention here, you need to mention here, and you need to mention here. Okay, which mail id you are going to use the smtp server purpose, you need to mention here. Okay, okay, guys. Go to advanced, go to advanced. After, what we are doing, go to advanced, go to advanced options, advanced. In this advanced option we have a user id, user id. What we given the our mail id, our mail id, our mail id, and password. And we have a password, password, guys. Here we need to mention the password, not in your email password, guys. It's not in your email password. It's a how I generated that email password, I will show you, guys. Just whatever you are given the mail id, just go to, because that Jenkins లో కొత్త వర్షన్స్ ఇవైతే latest versions, guys. That is the reason we happened this thing. Okay, we have whatever mail id we are mentioned here, whatever mail id we are mentioned here, that mail id have two conditions, satisfied two condition, guys. I will show you. And go to this mail id. Just I will open this mail id in incognito mode. Okay, Gmail. Sign in, and yeah, this is our mail id. One, four, three. Send the notification. Yeah, 669,545. Okay, next. Yeah, guys, one thing, we need to, whatever mail id we are given, whatever mail id we are given here, whatever mail id we are given here, we have conditions, condition of mail id. What is the condition? Whatever way mail id we have mentioned here, in this mail id we have a pass to condition. What is the condition is, first one is two authentication. Okay, two types of authentication, we knows that one. అంటే మన మెయిల్ ఐడి జస్ట్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తేనే కాదు, అది ఓటీపీని సెండ్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. టూ టైప్ authentication, two type authentication. That is the one condition, we need to enable the two type authentication. Okay, where is the Krishna, where is we enable that one? Just go to our mail id, manage. Here we have a manage your Google account, here we have a manage our Google account. Go to this settings, guys, go to that settings. Okay, and here we have a security options. We have a security options. Go to this security options. Okay, this security options. Go to this security options. Here you can see the two steps verification. Here we have a two steps verification option, guys. In your side it's off. In your side మీకు ఇది off లో ఉంటే you need to go this one, you need to go this one, off ని on చేయండి, guys. It means you need to enable two types of enable two ways authentication, enable the two ways authentication, otherwise it's not work, guys. Otherwise it's not work. Okay, smtp email గా అది వర్క్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ, వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ యాప్ పాస్వర్డ్స్ అని, యాప్ పాస్వర్డ్స్ యూ నీడ్ టు క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్, యూ నీడ్ టు క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్, యూ నీడ్ టు క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ గివ్ ది యువర్ పాస్వర్డ్. ఇట్స్ మీన్స్ అంటే ఓనర్ మీరా కాదని చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది. గివ్ ది యువర్ మెయిల్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్. ఓకే, and here I'm already generated, guys. I'm already generated. Here we have a generate option. You can see here we need to select app, we need to select app. There is no any Jenkins app. That is the reason we are selecting the others. You need to mention the app name. Just I can give the Jenkins. And if you go to generate, if you're going to click this generate option, if you're going to click this generate option, what happened, this is the password, guys. This is the password. You can copy and save this one. You can copy, save this one. Otherwise it's only visible only one time, guys. It's only visible one time. You need to copy this one, you need to copy this one. Yeah, whatever process we are going to do, we are going to two type authentication on and app password, we are going to mention the others, like we are give the name of Jenkins. In Jenkins we are going to generate that Jenkins. We can give the Jenkins option and we generate, we can get the password, guys. We can get the password, whatever here we can get the password. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే మనకి పాస్వర్డ్ ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ అయిందో ఈ పాస్వర్డ్ ని మీరు కాపీ చేసుకుని సేవ్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ you need to give here, you need to give app WORD app password. Okay, I will show you. Just come to here, you need to mention your mail ID here, you need to mention your mail ID. And here in password page, you need to select this one. I already give, go to change password and you need to remove this one and you need to paste this password, guys. You need to paste that password. After you can complete this one and select the use SSL, guys. Use SSL, select the use SSL. Okay, select the use SSL. Okay, we are going to complete this one. Select the use SSL option, use SSL option, use SSL option. Select the use SSL option and give the port number is, give the port number SMTP port number. It's a default port number, guys. It's a default port number. You need to give this one. It's only one time setup, guys. It's only one time setup. Once we are going to set up this one, we are going to use any project. It means freestyle project or the scripted web project, declarative web project, maven project, and SMTP port number 465. It's a default port number, guys. You need to mention SMTP port number. Okay, then after you can complete this all things. Okay, you can complete this portion. Okay, you have a test configuration by sending the mail. It means మనం టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, guys. మనం చేసినంత కరెక్టా కాదా అని. Just you can give this one and give the mail ID name. Whatever mail ID you are given right now, just you can copy this one. Okay, we are paste here and test configuration. Yeah, you can see email was successfully sent. It means మనం ఏదైతే ఎస్ఎంటిపి సర్వర్గా చేసామో అది సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా వర్క్ అయిందని. జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ గో టు యువర్ మెయిల్ ఐడి. యూ కెన్ సీ జస్ట్ నౌ 9:28, రైట్ నౌ 9:29, 9:28కి ఒక మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది, టెస్ట్ మెయిల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఇట్స్ మీన్స్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ సెంట్. అంటే ఎస్ఎంటిపి మనము సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసాం మనం. ఓకే, కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసేసాం. ఆఫ్టర్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ, after this settings, after email notification, go to extended email plugin, guys. We are installed extended email plugin, yes or no, starting. Okay, then you can get this option, in this option, after completed this one, you're going to go to this option. In this option, okay, idoka step anukunna, and ఇది second step అనుకుందాం. Okay, in this option we need to give the configuration, guys. SMTP server. What is the SMTP server? We have mentioned smtp.gmail.com. whatever here mentioned, the bottom of the page, you can see here ఏదైతే మీరు మెన్షన్ చేశారో same thing we are going to mention here also. Okay, SMTP server, where is this? Yes, SMTP server. What is your SMTP server name? smtp.gmail.com. and you need to mention the port number is 465. We knows this one all. Okay, we knows this one. And port number. Okay, and what is the next thing? You have an advanced, guys. Here we have an option, guys, advanced option. You need to click this one. I already set up, guys. It's nothing but you need to add credentials. Here. How we gonna add credentials? Username with password. Select the username with password. What is the username? You need to mention your username is a previous గా మనము ఏదైతే యూజర్ నేమ్ యూజ్ చేసామో మన మెయిల్ ఐడియే మన యూజర్ నేమ్, అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ మన యొక్క యాప్ పాస్వర్డ్ మనము మెన్షన్ చేయాలన్నమాట. దెన్ you can create the description just like SMTP. You can give anything, guys, for your remember purpose, and add that one. what happened మనకి ఇక్కడ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది, we have a visible, okay, SMTP configuration. Just you're gonna select that one. It's going to be here in credentials, inside the credentials. Okay, first of all, what is this? How we going to get that one? How we going to get this one? Advanced option. You can click this advanced. Okay, click the advanced. You need to use the credentials, same here also. Click the advanced and give the credentials. Okay, and select the use SSL, guys. Use SSL. Okay, then come to here. Here default content type is a text.html, okay. Default reception list, guys. You need to mention any mails కావాలంటే మీరు అన్ని mails mention చేసుకోవచ్చు. Right now just I can give the only one mail. Okay, that's all. And you can see here it's all about default, guys. ఇవన్నీ default గా ఉంటాయి, ఓకేనా. అండ్ మీ కంపెనీ థింగ్స్ని బట్టి మీరు వీటిని చేంజ్ చేయవచ్చు. డిఫాల్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే మెయిల్స్ సెండ్ అయిన తర్వాత వచ్చే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ వస్తుంది, బిల్డ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది, బిల్డ్ స్టేటస్ వస్తుంది, అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్, కంటెంట్, డిఫాల్ట్ కంటెంట్ వచ్చేసి ఇది వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్, ఆఫ్టర్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కాన్ఫిగర్ దిస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్, ఏవైతే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన మన ఇవన్నీ రాయబడలేదు, గైస్. ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు మెన్షన్ అయి ఉంటాయి. Okay, just you need to mention these things and these things. That's all. Default receipts. Okay, Okay, default receipts, our mail id, our mail id. Yeah, that's all guys. You need to save this one. This only one time మాత్రమే దీన్ని మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం guys. Okay, after you going to save this everything, you're going to save this everything guys. ఆఫ్టర్ మీరు అదంతా సేవ్ చేసేసిన తర్వాత ఏదైతే మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఉందో కాన్ఫిగర్ ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. అంటే ఇట్స్ మీన్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ డిక్లరేటివ్ పైప్లైన్ గైస్, if you going to use in scripted way pipeline also, and we gonna use the any pipeline, freestyle project, maven project, any project మనం యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, let's do what. Okay, okay, the under the last stage we need to mention where is the stage, where is the ending of the stage. Yeah, this is the ending of stage guys. మీకు ఏ స్టేజ్ ఎంత వరకు ఉందో మీకు ఐడియా లేకపోతే జస్ట్ ఆ స్టేజ్ కాడ ఉన్న ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్ ముందు you need to give the double click. It's going to be give the end of the flower bracket about that stage. Okay, and we need to mention last stage as a mail. Last stage is going to be mail guys. Stage, you need to stage description, it's going to be send the mails, send the mails. Okay, give the enter. Under this stage we have a steps, under the steps we have our step details. How we going to create these step details right now? Just go to pipeline syntax guys. Here we have a pipeline syntax. Just I can zoom out this thing guys. Anyone, you can send me your mail IDs. In this we have a, you can see E for extended mail ID. You can see here email extended email. It means మన యొక్క ఏదైతే ప్లగ్ఇన్ చేసామో ఆ ప్లగ్ఇన్ యొక్క ఆప్షన్ గైస్. You need to select this one. Just I gonna copy this one also. So it's going to be plugin. Yeah, this is the email extended plugin. That is going to pipelines. Pipeline syntax. You need to select this option guys. And we need to mention that. Okay, 2 here మనం ఎవరెవరికి మెయిల్స్, ఈ బిల్డ్ని ఎవరెవరికి మెయిల్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నామో you need to give that information. Just I need to mention whatever our SMTP mail. Copy this mail ID, and where is it is declarative pipeline. Yeah, mention here. And anyone send your mail IDs guys. Guys, are you there? Are you sleeping? Yeah, Nikhil Swami, send your mail ID. Otherwise I think okay, no problem. Okay, just I can take one random mail ID. It means my mail IDs. I'm asking your mail ID. and Nikhil Swami. I'm not asking Nikhil possibility. Okay. Okay. Just I want to mention my mail ID, another mail ID. Yeah. Thank you. And I can copy this one. Okay. And go to our pipeline shop. I need to mention here, and also one more mail ID also I will mention. Okay. In my random mail IDs. Copy. That is your pipeline script. Yeah. We need to mention here. Yeah. ఇట్స్ మీన్స్ ఈ మెయిల్ ఐడీస్ మొత్తానికి మనం ఇప్పుడు కంటెంట్ పంపించడం జరుగుతుంది గైస్, మన బిల్డ్ రిజల్ట్ ని పంపించడం జరుగుతుంది. సబ్జెక్ట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ యూ సే right now, just subject we are going to give the please 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 check build details. Please check build details. Please check build details. And body, we are here mention the body. Just I can go to configuration system. Here we have a default content, guys. You can copy this one. I will explain what is this and all. It's all about variables. Okay, ఇవన్నీ వేరియబుల్స్ అన్నమాట. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ వస్తుంది అండ్ బిల్డ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది, మనకి బిల్డ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. బిల్డ్ స్టేటస్ వస్తుంది. చెక్ కన్సోల్ అవుట్పుట్ ఎట్ బిల్డ్ యూఆర్ఎల్, అంటే మనకి రిజల్ట్ యూఆర్ఎల్ కూడా మనకి డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో వాళ్ళకి జనరేట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఆప్షన్, and just I attach the build log. Okay, I can attach the build log. That's all. Okay, that's all. Generate the pipeline script. Generated the pipeline script. Yeah, this is our pipeline script. Right. In reply to, here we have an option reply to. You need to paste the same mail ID. Reply to also. Okay, and generated the pipeline script. Copy our pipeline script, guys. Copy it and go to our pipeline and paste here. Okay, and apply and save and build now. Sending the mails, it's on the last stage. Just we can check. Go to last thing. Yeah, it's going to be reply sending mails to this all mails successfully. ఏం కంటెంట్ ని సెండ్ చేసింది, ఈ కంటెంట్ ని సెండ్ చేసింది. మనం ఏదైతే ఆ వేరియబుల్స్ మెన్షన్ చేసామో ఆ వేరియబుల్స్ ని అది మెన్షన్ చేసింది అనమాట. ఓకే, జస్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చెక్ అవర్ మెయిల్ ఐడీస్. This our mail ID. You can see here, guys. You can see latest mail ID, and you can see the subject. Just open this one. Okay, you can see declarative. It's going to be use the declarative build number. Just I can zoom it. Yeah, you can see declarative pipeline. Declarative, it's a project name, guys. It's a project name, and batch 3 project name batch 3 and ఎన్నో build ఇది సెకండ్ బిల్డ్. కావాలంటే మీరు చెక్ చేయండి. You can see second build, and సక్సెస్ అండ్ రిజల్ట్ ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి సక్సెస్ వచ్చింది. ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ టు చెక్ దట్ వన్, జస్ట్ గోయింగ్ టు క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్. You need to click this one. This is our Jenkins build status URL, guys. This is Jenkins build status URL. And what is this attachment? It's a build console output. It's a build console output, guys. And we need to send this every call and వాళ్ళకి send చేయొచ్చు. I think Nikhil Swami also get this mail ID. Yes or no, Nikhil Swami? Yeah, Nikhil Swami. Yes, I think you can get this. Okay. And what we do? Yeah, this is the full length declarative pipeline script, guys. This is the full length of declarative pipeline script. Okay, just configure. I'm gonna copy that script. Go to our notepad. This is the all things. This is for mail IDs. Okay, and yeah, just I'm gonna paste here, guys. After this thing. Okay. Okay, you can see this is our full length script, guys. This is our full length script. This is our full length script. Okay. The reply, you need to mention your mail IDs. Mail IDs. Okay. Mail IDs. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is the way we are going to return the scripted way pipeline. Declarative pipelines, guys. This is the way we are going to return the declarative pipeline. And what we are going to do, ఇది ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైనల్గా దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం, మనం దీన్ని మొత్తాన్ని కాపీ చేసుకొని మనం గిట్హబ్ అకౌంట్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం. హియర్ వీ నీడ్ టు యూస్ దిస్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. మనం దాన్ని అక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. స్క్రిప్టెడ్ వే పైప్ లైన్లో మనం ఆ థింగ్ చేసాం కాబట్టి వీ డోంట్ నీడ్ దట్ వన్ రైట్ నౌ. జస్ట్ యూ గోనా డూ దట్ వన్. Just you gonna do that one. Okay. Yeah, that's all today's class, guys. That's all today's class.